Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Fishing for Real. Today we're back at the spot and we're going to see if we can catch any eels or fish. I've just put the net down. Hopefully we can get some bait fish. It's about to pull up the trap. There's heaps of little fish in there. Look at this little fish we caught in the net. My friend just caught this nice eel. Bring him up now. Alright, slowly bring him up. It bent the whole hook completely. The water is so shallow and so clear, we literally watched him just eat a fat piece of fish, and then my friend just reeled him straight up. And we also got these tiny fish in the trap. Be free, little fishes. Just caught another eel. Okay, pull him up. Here's a bigger one. Just down there. In the bars. We didn't do this. He's unhooking himself. Oh!
Oh, did he get it?
Is he unhooking?
It's always gonna... Gone.
And plop. Off he goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to come back for more.